Eggmas, day 8. It's already been over a week that I've been doing this challenge. I'm going for a month. Now, today I'm going to be trying out the Egg Tornado. When doing this, I highly recommend that you do not use regular pointy chopsticks. I recommend that you use cooking chopsticks with flatter tips like this so you don't pierce right through your egg. Okay, on this egg journey, I've been very excited to try this technique, the Egg Tornado. Also, I will mention, use good quality eggs. I love a good yolk that is deep orange, just like the one you see on the right here. Love these eggs. So for my first attempt, I went ahead, just did a touch of oil, added 3 eggs, and then pinched it from end to end with the cooking chopsticks. Sorry for the blurriness, it kept going out of focus. I'm filming myself today, no Michael. And then, I also found that it stuck to the chopsticks. I found a solution for that later on. Okay, I'm gonna try out a smaller pan now and see where that gets me. Okay, for attempt number 2, I decided to go with a smaller pan because I thought that would make it more manageable. Did the same thing, 3 eggs, a little bit of oil on the pan just so it won't stick together, and then just tossed it in there. I also make sure to have my heat at around medium-high heat. I don't want it to cook all the way too fast. And then when I pinch it together, I don't quite bring the chopsticks together. I kind of bring them in front of each other, if that makes sense. Then I just turned it in a certain direction while turning the pan slowly and holding the chopsticks with the other hand. And then I just found that way to work. Just keep turning the pan, changing your grip on the chopsticks, and then repeat the process over and over again until you have a little twist on your eggs. Now, I was actually pretty happy with the way these came out. They're not perfect, they're not like pro looking or anything, but I'm starting to get the technique here, and that's what matters. Practice makes perfect. Now, I will mention, if you guys don't like raw eggs, this dish will not be for you. It's gotta be runny. This is adding to that extra custardiness. Here's another tip. I just found this out on my own with trial and error. A little bit of non-stick spray on your wood chopsticks will help so it doesn't pull the omelet with it and you tear it up. But check that out. This is my second attempt, and I'm actually happier with this. If you're a beginner at this, try a smaller pan. It's a lot easier to maneuver it. With a bigger pan, you have a lot more to turn, so. Ooh, new rice paddles. Check this out. So I've got a Japanese curry all around on top of a mound of rice, and then some Mexican crema, and that's it. Fresh cut chives, some flaky salt, call it a day. I'll do a recipe on the Japanese curry if you guys want, so comment down below if you want me to do a recipe on that. But damn, look at this. Yeah, that's so good. Gotta do some Valentina hot sauce, right? Chicken spoon. So, all in all, I'd say the eggs weren't perfect, but I think it's a decent first try. I've never done this before. This is something I'll definitely try to perfect. Smash like, subscribe.